Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply add the Air coin, also known as Air, to your Trust wallet. So first of all, you're going to be logging on to coinmarketcap.com. The link would be in the description of the video. You simply scroll down till you get to the about of the Air coin, where you simply click on this copy. And once you've copied its contract address, you then minimize and open up your Trust wallet. Make sure you've got BNB for transaction and BEP20 tokens for swapping. Click on your browser, click on Pancake Swap. The three dotted icon at the top right corner of the screen, you simply click on Ethereum and simply click on BNB Smart Chain. Once that's done, we're going to be converting our pump Ethereum to the Air. So you simply paste the contract address, paste, click on import, and click on I understand and click on import again. Click on max for the pump Ethereum. We're going to be enabling it, and then we're going to be swapping to the Air. So you simply click on enable. A smart contract call will then pull out for approximately 0.03 cents. Click on confirm. You could set the slippage tolerance to 21.0%. Click on swap, click on confirm swap. A smart contract call is going to pull in for 0.71, which you then simply click on approve, and the Air coin would then be in your wallet. Click on approve, add Air to wallet. Okay, close this, close Pancake Swap, and simply reload. And here we go, the Air is on our wallet, the Air coin. So guys, do comment down below if you have any questions concerning how we can add the Air coin to our Trust wallet, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.